What is it? Middle of November. Hi, everybody. Here we are again. Thanks for joining. It's the middle of November here on the East Coast. We're in the state of Maryland near a reservoir called Liberty Reservoir, and I'm out with my friend Steve, riding bikes.
Hey guys.
And Steve's got a really high-tech bike. Hey Steve, what can you tell us about your bike there?
This is a it's a Trek Procaliber. It is carbon fiber, 29-inch wheels. Just a front suspension bike. Just recently changed the tires. The tires I had on there were 2.2s, which it said was supposedly the biggest it would take. I kind of wore those down riding on a lot of gravel for the last 2 years. I've had it since 2020. But I just wanted something a little more aggressive for, you know, the slippery leaves and everything. So I went to 2.3s and had no trouble at all putting them on, and I would say it would probably even take wider. So no rear suspension on it. It's a very light bike. Now,
do you have
I'm real happy with it.
Do you have a drop seat on that?
No. If I were to do any upgrades on it, would probably be a drop seat.
Okay.
I'll find myself kind of hanging off the back of it if I'm going down a steep incline.
Okay, what's the weight on this bike, Steve?
Man, I don't remember.
Weren't you telling me it was about 24 pounds or thereabouts?
Maybe around that, I guess.
Okay. And it's got the twin suspension on the front forks there, something called Duty.
Yeah, I forget what the travel is on it.
Yeah, Rock Show Duty.
But that Boost 110 on the front, and then on the back, I think it might be like 148.
Okay.
So that just gives the wheel more stability. It's wider.
Okay.
So the spokes go out more of an angle.
And how many gears do you have on this guy?
I think it's what 12.
12. Okay,
Yeah,
so you have them all on the back here. And,
Yeah.
But I have what they call bump keys too.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Braden's got a set of those.
Oh yeah. I haven't actually tried those yet on anything, but.
Yeah, Braden and Douglas are actually in Manhattan today.
Oh.
Getting old, Joe.
That's all right. We'll get to the electric soon.